that turn 2, like we saw from Crutchlow previously. He's only 26 seconds behind us, so yeah, so just dropped the bike and he's back in business out on track a long way behind. 26 laps to go and they cross the line any minute now. There's still a long way at the 32-lap race. That was a ride about 265 kilometres an hour before they break the absolutely hairpin. It was a mistake by Danny Groves coming into the fourth group, but he seems to pull that advantage back again. Casey Sherry's got the most inside. As we ride with Quadrosa, there's Lorenzo who still leads the way. Yeah, at that time actually, Lorenzo was 3 tenths quicker than Capona. So that previous lap, Lorenzo just turning them out, another 121.7. Quadrosa at 121.9, Stoner at 122. So it's opening up slightly. Quadrosa needs to show the wheel, needs to do something. Often we've been stalked people in the past, but I'm not sure that tactic's going to work today on Lorenzo, because he will keep pulling out those laps. This is where the Quadrosa seems to come from. He's coming up and over the corkscrew, up the straight, and then look at it from on board. Can you see the corner? No, not to the right in the middle of it. As Quadrosa drops him, and again you can see Lorenzo pulls out on exit from that corner. Through Rainey, he's strong as well. And that Yamaha does look good coming down the hill. Oh, Bunker John. So any chance he might have had a podium, another crash for him. Unfortunately, he's a little bit miserable breathing. How about he's gone off? Or he's going to right direction in the system. That's the product now up for him, Lorenzo. Yeah, in fact, they almost throw the circle there. Lorenzo did a 122, Quadrosa 121.9, and Stoner 121.7. They changed laps, Lorenzo stayed the same. In between the two of them, he's got a long way to run yet. I'm trying to make sense of not quite being able to run with a front man, but looking a very comfortable form. Yeah, what does Quadrosa do here? Does he just, as you say, stalk away Lorenzo? Because he knows that Lorenzo will reel this battle race. Does he show him a wheel? Does he do what Lorenzo did from last year, so hard from behind?